Here. Doing a little car wash because we're taking the Camry to the casino. It looks like a dirty whore. So taking Camry a lot of pictures. You show some respect on my car. I am. I'm the one washing. Oh. So is there soap in there, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So bubbly.
Bubbly.
It's pronounced bubbly.
What?
They don't ask you. Okay.
That's not important for me. You teach is great.
What do you say?
What a wonderful world. Copyright strike. What do you want, T? The mitt? I don't like the mitt. I'll start the front. Let it just sit. Oh my god, what is that?
I don't know.
Ma, your paint job is peeling, my G.
That's your fault.
Oh! It's a bit of silver.
Aha!
No, but it's still yours. Look, see? It's yours, Ma.
Oh.
Look.
I didn't do anything.
You failed me. You know, the time when I was just sleeping right now, I was having dreams about League of Legends. I played so many games last night, and I was twitching in bed.
How do you feel about this?
Yeah. Scrub it down, in the throat.
How aggressive TJ is!
What?
He was so aggressive in the camera.
Oh. He's always aggressive. Maximum aggression, TJ.
TJ, rub the booty, rub the booty.
The most important part of the car.
I'm waiting for the fucking
That gritty muffler. Ali's a mutt.
Huh?
Oh, did we get that on film? My bad.
It's okay, she didn't hear you.
I'm a mutt.
She did hear us. She did this.
Grab that sponge and start walking around the room.
You didn't help me. Oh fuck. That scared me.
What happened?
That!
What the fuck is
I
that?
don't know, it scared me so bad.
It's a piece of fluff.
I thought it was a spider.
If your girlfriend sends you soapy tape pics, she's the one.
Soap up my titties then.
Whoa.
Soap them up now.
What you want to see this inch a bit of water.
It was actually really nice. Nice.
Ali, you want rinse too?
No.
I think she does. One time?
I got one.
Do it.
You said what?
I'm sorry. The second time my hands slipped. Get gift. Work another 8 hours. Oh my god, she's so wet.
She got her weekly shower.
Sprayed me twice.
Quick interview. Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Okay.
Done. I see good fitment.
Yes.
Check this out. That's fitment.
Oof! Look at.
Ali, can you not throw shit at my car?
I dropped it.
Fucking useless.
Thing is, that's heavy as you feel.
Oh yeah.
the car or the midge.
Both of them combined.
Ali, you like fitness? Fit this dick in your mouth.
Hey. Oh my god. That was not a nice angle for you to do that.
My calculations correct.
Ali pulled a TJ.
What?
She pulled a TJ.
I dropped it and it went off.
Your hair is not gonna fall off. Oh, your rim, come here. I mean, your tire.
Shaking bar.
Oh, Sasha, Stephanie. Oh, Nicole. It's not going in. Stephanie.
Stop saying my mom's name.
TJ's a mom fucker.
Oops.
That good?
Does it look good? Cover the whole tire up.
Well, said not to get on the
From
rim.
far.
That makes it worse.
That area? It doesn't make it worse. Sexuality. No, you ass.
It's sticking.
Thanks for coming into my shot. And you falling over like always.
What? This is my car.
Done.
Yeah, because even like when it started, like it wasn't so aggressive.
There's a cat in my bumper. You can shut it off.
He's gonna rev it, he said.
Oh, he wants the rev? Oh.
That's how you have to start it, and then.
In the morning, in the early morning when you started.
You just gotta stay hydrated.
So everybody take one. Take a drinky poo.
For TJ.
Thanks.
To take it.
Gotta go to get some brown man's food.
Indian food, why brown man?
I'm just kidding. Yeah, we gotta get food though.
You're expert.
Oh, there's a plum.
Huh?
TJ's actually probably lost the town walking here.
You guys gonna kiss for the camera?
I just,
TJ closed his eyes for a second.
bro's ready.
Come on, TJ, we're going on an adventure.
So boys, we're going to the fucking flame.
Vlogging?
Yeah. Thank you. So, I'm gonna show you guys this fucking selection we got.
Select. There's only one plate left.
Huh?
There's only one plate left.
We'll get more. It's a busy time right now, right? Now I'm really grabbing a dick for this bitch.
Ah! Oh, there's some keys back here. You just start driving. Start driving
No,
forward.
she's gonna fucking start crying again, man. See?
Start driving forward.
See, I told you.
Where did you go? Oh, you're so funny.
It wasn't even me.
You couldn't have opened it?
I told him not to.
You couldn't have opened it?
No.
Yeah.
Shut up, Bonta.
You told me not to.
Hostage.
Like how you brought more and you start losing.
I guess I'll talk later. I said I guess I'll talk later.
I was waiting for tickets. We're
Oh, okay.
recording right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're all looking.
as I was saying, we're all looking fly. Fly. Well, yeah, I do, but like, still, like, I'm shaking. You know, I mean, bump. So, boys, ended up spending money.
You're not genuine.
Came down 25 bucks. Came down
I don't want to talk about it.
40 bucks. 140 bucks. 140 bucks. At least I saved something.